Dr. Shashi Tharoor will deliver P.V. Narasimha Rao Memorial Lecture at 5 p.m. on Wednesday, 23rd December 2020 on the occasion of P.V.'s death anniversary. This is P.V.'s birth centenary year. Telangana government has been celebrating the event throughout the year. Because of the COVID-19 pandemic, we are forced to organize this year's memorial lecture through Zoom conference. Professor Madhubhushi Sridhar, former Central Information Commissioner, presently Dean of Law, Bennett University, Noida, will preside. Dr. K. Ramachandramurthy, Editor-in-Chief of Prime Post and Sakalam Channel, who has been organizing the lecture series, will welcome the guests. Dr. Shashi Tharoor has consented to speak on foreign policy legacy of P.V. Narasimha Rao for 30 to 40 minutes. The Zoom meeting will start at 5 p.m. sharp. 8 years after former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao passed away, Dr. Murthy, who was Managing Director and Editor-in-Chief of HMTV and The Hunts India, launched the P.V. Memorial Lecture. It was the first public meeting to commemorate the late leader after he passed away. The inaugural lecture was delivered by the then President Pranab Mukherjee on 31st December 2012. He was followed by Congress leader and Union Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad, public intellectual and renowned author Rajmohan Gandhi, who is grandson of Mahatma Gandhi, former Union Minister and noted author Jairam Ramesh, very highly regarded jurist Justice Manepalli Narasimha Rao Venkatachalaya, famous journalist and editor-in-chief of The Print Shekhar Gupta, and renowned Professor RVR Chandrasekhar Rao, who is former Vice Chancellor of Ambedkar Open University and a former student of Harold Lasky at London School of Economics. All these speakers knew P.V. Narasimha Rao intimately. Almost all the lectures were organized in Hyderabad. Only one lecture by Justice Venkatachalaya was held in Visakhapatnam. The first lecture given by late Pranab Mukherjee was attended by the then Governor of Andhra Pradesh, E.S.L. Narasimhan, the then Governor of Tamil Nadu, K. Rosaiah, and the then Chief Minister of Undivided Andhra Pradesh, and Kiran Kumar Reddy. The former president spoke on three dimensions of P.V.'s politics: P.V. as Prime Minister, P.V. as the Congress President, and P.V. as a visionary in foreign policy formulation, with special emphasis on the Look East policy. The policy is being followed by the successive government, with greater emphasis calling it Act East policy. It was during P.V.'s stewardship that a historic agreement on the maintenance of peace and tranquility along the line of actual control on the India-China border areas arrived at. It was signed by P.V. and the then China Premier Li Ping in Beijing. Since then, the border has been peaceful till the Galwan Valley incident, in which 20 Indian soldiers were martyred, occurred in June 2020. When P.V. took over as Prime Minister, India was at crossroads in the wake of the fall of Soviet Union and the US emerging as the sole superpower. P.V. took the initiative to take the India, the largest democracy, closer to the US, the oldest democracy. He brought peace back to Jammu and Kashmir and restored order in Punjab. Dr. Shashi Tharoor, who was Under Secretary General of United Nations and also a Minister of State for Foreign Affairs and Human Resource Development, has kindly agreed to speak on foreign policy legacy of P.V. Narasimha Rao. Dr. Tharoor is a 3-term Member of Parliament for Thiruvananthapuram, the best-selling author of over 20 books, both fiction and non-fiction. He has won numerous awards, including the Pravasa Bharatiya Sanman, a Commonwealth Writers' Prize, and the Crossword Lifetime Achievement Award. In 2019, Dr. Tharoor was the recipient of the Central Sahitya Academy Award in the category of English non-fiction for his book An Era of Darkness. He is chairman of Parliament Standing Committee on Information Technology. He is one of the eminent intellectuals of the country. Please watch and hear the lecture live in Sakalam Channel at 5 p.m. on Wednesday, December 23rd.